One officer was shot. He was shot from very close distance with a very powerful gun, and the vest did the job. I just spoke to the officer, and he's doing great. It's very high spirits, and we told him we love him and respect him, and he's a very proud guy. He's very proud of what he does.
Ligtas ang isang Secret Service agent na promotekta kay US President Donald Trump sa nangyaring shooting sa Washington Hilton Hotel sa Washington, D.C. kasabay ng isinasagawang White House Correspondents' Dinner. Ayon kay US President Donald Trump, isinugod sa ospital ang nasabing Secret Service officer dahil sa tinamong injury nang humarang kay Trump. Malaking tulong aniya ang suot nitong bulletproof vest kaya hindi malubha ang kanyang tama. Agad na nahuli ang suspect na kinilalang si Cole Allen, 31 anyos at nakatira sa Torrance, California. Armado ang suspect ng isang shotgun, isang handgun at iba't ibang uri ng patalim o kutsilyo ayon sa Metropolitan Police Department.
Man charged a security checkpoint armed with multiple weapons, and he was taken down by some very brave members of Secret Service, and they acted very quickly.
Bagaman naniniwala si Trump na nag-iisa ang suspect, hindi napakasisiguro ang Federal Bureau of Investigation o FBI. Bukod sa nagsasagawa na ito ng investigasyon sa suspect, nanawagan rin ang FBI sa sinumang may impormasyon kaugnay ng aktibidad nito at kung posible na mayroon itong ibang kasama.
The FBI was rapidly deployed onto the scene, took over the evidence response unit, is examining all the ballistics that were found on scene to include the long gun and the shell casings. Make no mistake, we are conducting witness interviews. If you have any information whatsoever related to this event, 1-800-CALL-FBI, 1-800-CALL-FBI. No piece of information is too small, no piece of information is inadequate.
Ayon kay Trump, ito aniya ang isang dahilan kung bakit nais niyang magpatayo ng mas malaking ballroom sa White House kung saan pwede siyang magsalita at makipag-usap sa mga reporters na hindi nanganganib ang kanilang kaligtasan.
What we're planning at the White House is actually a larger room, and it's much more secure. It's drone-proof, it's bulletproof glass. We need the ballroom. That's why Secret Service, that's why the military are demanding it. They've wanted the ballroom for 150 years for lots of different reasons.
Ito na ang ika-6 na beses na may nagtangka sa buhay ni US President Trump. Pinakahuli ay noon lamang buwan ng Pebrero. Noel Poliarco, UNTV News and Rescue, Canada. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.